obviously new for everybody all the way around, but we really appreciated your flexibility with us and trucking through it with us. I know it wasn't easy. It was a lot of work for you guys, but congratulations, you did it, you're here, and now your career starts. Okay? So today we're going to give out diplomas. We have some awards to give out, and then we're going to let you guys go out into the field and be awesome. Okay? Go out there, get your experience. Get experience under your belt, and then come back here and teach for us. Okay? That's open to all of you. Come back here and teach for us. Teach it the way you would have wanted it to be taught. You had great instructors while you were here, right? Be a great instructor for somebody else. Okay? Is that a deal?
Yeah.
All right. We have instructors that are working here that are graduates of ETI. We have 3 or 4 on staff between our night and day. So, all right. So that opportunity is out there. All right. So we're going to get started with our diplomas. So when I call your name, come on up. Our first graduate, Mr. Adam Andrews.
All right.
Our next graduate, Mr. Joshua Boylan.
Speech?
Speech?
Alright, cool. I'll give it a little something. Hello, everyone. I'm Josh Boyden. I'm so happy to be here. Actually, my mom brought me into this, program and stuff like that. And level 1, she actually passed away the first week of school. And I told her, I would love to be in the school and just finish up, and I see this to the end. And, I worked hard, worked my butt off, and I did stuff like that. I've been close to God, and He showed me the path. And now I'm here, and I'm blessed to be here with all of you viewers. And let's see it to the end, guys. Thank you.
So our next graduate, good luck following that. Mr. Sergio Garcia. Mr. Jack Gardner.
All right, Jack.
Travis Harris. No. Okay.
All right, man. All right.
All right.
Mauro Hernandez. Ryan Jackson.
Oh, boy.
Connor McDonald.
Big Mac.
Just want to make sure we tabulated this one correctly. Deshaun Montgomery. Martin Wright.
I appreciate you, Gang.
Nico Ross. Mariah Salazar. Cynthia Schumann. We'll start in the back of the room on the right. Michelle Sheldberg is our Director of Admissions and Marketing. Next to her is Mr. Andre Newsom, one of our admissions representatives. Then we have Amber Vera, our Director of Career Services. Next to her is Miss Peggy Flerick, one of our Next to her would be Mr. Michael Harashi, your level 2.
Big Mike.
Next to him, we have Mr. Al Turner, your level 1. The gentleman that you spent the most amount of time with
Big
recently,
Al.
Mr. Kyle Lee. Behind the
Mr.
camera,
Kevin,
we
do it
have
again.
Mr. Kevin Flans, our Director of And up at the front here, we have Fred Idle, one of our admissions representatives. The next award is a member of our National Technical Honor Society. So this student excelled on grades and attendance. So let's give a big round of applause for Brandon Wright.
Vanilla ice, bro. Vanilla ice.
Okay, then we have 2 special awards. These awards, we don't get the opportunity to give these awards out very often. This is a pretty high achievement for anybody attending any of our programs, whether it's day or night. We have 2 students that had perfect attendance from level 1 all the way through level 4. Didn't miss a day, never came in late, never left early, was here every minute of their time. So our 2 students, the first one with perfect attendance goes to Adam Andrews. And our other student with perfect attendance, Miss Cynthia Schumann.
Man, I had to have a baby during school. I wanted that award too.
The next award we have is Student of the Section. So Student of the Section is the student just in level 4, just for TIG welding, who had the highest GPA. In the event of a tie, attendance is the tiebreaker. Okay? So who do we think our Student of the Section is for level 4? Student of the Section for level 4 goes to Cynthia Schumann.
We were close, they moved partners. I had a baby, man. I'm sorry.
Took some talent. Our final award is Student of the Year. So Student of the Year is the student with the highest cumulative GPA from level 1 all the way through level 4. Again, in the event of a tie, attendance is the tiebreaker. So your Student of the Year for this welding class goes to Miss Cynthia Schumann.
Killing the game.
So that concludes our ceremony. Again, I just want to reiterate, go out there, be great. You came this far, you've learned a lot. Go out there and show yourself that you can be great. Go out there, get the experience, come back. Even if you don't come back to teach, come back and talk to our students. Tell our students how important it is for them to be here and to get the practice and to take it seriously every day that they're here. Okay? Be a mentor to somebody. Go out and do that. Okay? Well, congratulations. And
Tassel time.
This is, we're going to have you take your tassel and move it from right to left.